investigations. Next, let's talk about robotics. The manual collection of evidence, often in hazardous environments, poses considerable risks to forensic engineers. Robotics can step in here, automating the collection of evidence and thereby reducing risks. Picture a robot meticulously collecting evidence at a crash site, or a drone capturing high-resolution images of a fire-damaged building. The efficiency and safety of forensic investigations would be remarkably improved. But the promise of AI and robotics doesn't stop there. By working in tandem, they can lead to more accurate results and faster investigations. Imagine a scenario where robots guided by AI collect and analyze evidence, presenting the findings to human engineers for the final interpretation. This could drastically reduce the time taken for investigations. AI and robotics hold the potential to revolutionize forensic engineering, making investigations more accurate, efficient, and safe. Our future with AI and robotics in forensic engineering is an exciting one, filled with endless possibilities. As we gaze into the future, we see a new era of forensic engineering, shaped by AI and robotics. This bold new horizon holds the promise of automation, accuracy, and efficiency, revolutionizing the way we approach investigations and analysis. Imagine a world where robots tirelessly collect data, AI algorithms sift through mountains of information, and engineers make informed decisions based on precise, accurate results. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of forensic engineering. These advancements will impact not only engineers and investigators, but ripple through our broader society. They could lead to faster, more accurate investigations, providing justice more swiftly and ensuring safer environments for everyone. Yet, the true promise lies not just in the technology itself, but in how we harness it. It's about using AI and robotics to augment our capabilities, to push the boundaries of what's possible in forensic engineering. The future of forensic engineering is not just about technology, but about how we harness that technology to improve our investigations and make our world a safer